Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Dear fans, today in this video I want to talk about BTC investment project. Dear fans, this project have a massive potential inside, so it is very interesting and useful platform that can help you to make copy trading, and you can make a lot of profit with the help of this amazing platform. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that can how you use this amazing platform, how can you do trading, and how can you make passive income. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start the proper review, I request you, if you are a new one on my YouTube channel Mdscrypto, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, let's win together trading and trading training service. So here we can learn about its expertise at your service. In 2023, BTC Invest was created to advise and guide strategy with its client to help them achieve their financial goals and investment objectives. So trade put their experience today in the Forex, gold, US and cryptocurrency market in particularly, and their knowledge of Bitcoin to good use to offer the best market research and trading information as well. So you can also contact and you can start trading right now. So here we can learn about services like that BTC investment success teams, in part from its high quality and proactive service with our range of investment expertise and knowledge of crypto and financial market. We are here to help you to take control of your financial life and maximize your profit. So together we can discover the financial strategy that best fits your needs and lifestyle as well. So here we can learn about trade with confidence, and you can make a lot of profit because they are providing honest and professional investment services to all of our clients. And dear friends, for the sake of satisfaction, it always put your financial interest first, allowing us to offer you personalized strategy and provide professional advice. So the priority is to help the client optimize their investment in the short term and along is in long term as well. So here we can contact and we can start, and DFS for a successful investment, contact us and sign up right now. So before going to sign up, here I want to discuss something more. So here you can find out the trading tab and simply tap on it, and you can learn that how can you create your account and how can you start making money here. So in trading section, here you can check out and you can read about trading service development detail and why Forex and BTC join right now. So because BTC is the leader in cryptocurrency, the most volatile and the one we know best, and Forex is depending on immeasurable money management in order to be able of absorb market fluctuation and achieve objects as well. So the strategy is based on a daily study of the stock market and the knowledge of the history of BTC and the currency market as well. So here you can check that why know what to study, what to look at before the issue are positive as well. So here you can also learn how does it work. Firstly, we do not have access to your trading portfolio, so then we make our trade daily, view our reports respective of your investment portfolio. No scam, no access to your accounts, the positions are taken for you, but you do have control over the position. If you want to be close or open position, you are always in control of your account. So finally, learn with basic training in a group of 15 people. This will allow you to understand the trading software, the different analysis to be done, and more specific training will also be possible at a later date as well. So BTC investment services like that, you can start the gold fully Forex and you can learn about more. So in gold trade at present time, to avoid big down causing move, robot the rotates about 5 hours a day and close its position during the day in order to have a peace of to mind. So investment to stick the robot safe strategy is $750, but it is accessible with $500. So in Forex investment of $500, price of 0.01 to respect quality money management and ensure winning. When you copy, you will be proportional to your account in order to benefit from the accumulate interest, and manual copy with position taking with risk of 1% of the capital and of RRO of 1 to 2 generally. So here you can create the gold accounts and you can log in the gold copy trading and create your Forex account and pass in Forex copy software as well. So you can choose and you can start, and here you can also learn about the crypto cost and sponsorship detail. You can in creation and you can learn more news and here as well. So here we can learn how can we create our Forex account as well. So dear friends, here on xe.com we can start our application. So first of all we need to enter our first name, last name and choose country code, and then enter phone number and email, and then simply check box I have read term and conditions and all other information and also professional. So then simply click on the submit button and you will process for further more as well. So here open a live trading account and you can complete your application, confirm your ID and find your account, and then you will be able to start your trading as well. So dear friends, after completing your first step of pre-mirroring down, you will be come here and you will be here to choose your account and pick the account that's going to work best for your level of trading experience. You can choose a standard account and best account for everyday traders, and if you want to be choose pro account professionals, a spread for more experience and trade. So here you can also learn that from 0.95 spreads and from 0 pipe spreads as well. So here you can also learn about the commission. So there is no commission in standard account, but in pro account you will be able to get 7% USD round trip commission as well. So here you can also check out the trade size. So it is almost same 0.01 as well, and there is no minimum deposit limit in both the account as well. So after you want choose anyone, so like that I am choosing this one, and you can choose and DFNs. Here you can customize your MT4 setting, and don't worry, you can change these at any time. So here first you need to choose your base currency, like that you can use USDT or an other currency which are here you can find. So I am choosing USDT, and then prefer leverage. So here you can choose the leverage. So it is up to you which leverage you can choose. So I have one by one, and then simply click on the next button. So here we need to enter personal information, and first of all we need to select a title like that Mr. and then full name as per legal documents, like that I have enter, and then we need to check out our email, phone number, and here we need to select our date of birth, and then we will be able to process furthermore. So it is very easy way to do. Here you can also do, and here DFS, then you will be able. So here we need to select the our nationality. So like that I am choosing Pakistan, and then we will be able to click on the next button. So here we need to currently residential address, like that I have currently residence in Pakistan. So here we need to enter the unit or fiat number. So like that I am sending writing this one, and then street number or building. So here we need to write this one, and here we need to name. So pole to 5. So then we enter to the sub rub as well, and we can select the here city, and then we need to select the state as well. So you need to enter like this information here, and then you will be able to create this one. And here we need to enter the postal code and 59 and 320, and then we simply click on the next button. So here we need to select our employment status to make you are the right fit for trading, and you need to know a bit about your business, like that your current employee status, so how you are doing this one. So like that if you are doing part-time you can choose, or if you are full-time you can choose, and then simply click on the next button. So here we need to select the source of fund, like that I am choosing my saving, and average annual income we need to choose here. So like that I'm choosing this one, and here approximately your saving and investment. So like that I am choosing this one. So you can choose a real one and then simply process. So here we can almost there, so please review the important documents below for proceeding like that. Client agent, you can read and you can check out all information. After checking, you need to click on the submit button here and then you simply process. So must be verify this one, and once again to check all these, and then you can click on it and submit. So must be read first and then you will be process this one. So like this you can create your accounts calculation. You are done. So exit trading account application has been submitted and aim to review within 2 hours, but we may take a 24 hours to complete. Then you will be able, login detail will be sent to on the email and we will process more. So if you want to be check some videos that place a trade in MetaTrader and how to use market watch and basic functions of MT4 and loading charts of MetaTraders, we can check and this video and learn more about here as well. So it is up to you, learn and then do more here. So here we can find out its detail on the contact and DFS. You can contact here. You can use this email as well. You can contact on the Telegram and you can request for the account. So here is the official Telegram link. You can send message and you can talk about here. So here you can, if you come on the gold morning, you can find out the trades current offers detail. So here you can invest detail. You can invest and you can make commission amount 25% and minimum the deposit of 500. So performance fees and commission types you can find out. So here you can also check out all information like that. You can check out the trading history graph and weight as well, and you can find out all information trading accounts detail as well. So here we can learn about performance fees, investor and volume fees. You can learn more and check out all information here as well. So dear friends, if you come on the Robo Forex and here you need to enter your email and password and then sign up. So I am waiting for my account approval, then I will be able to process and sign in and we will be able to start our copy trading here, and then we will make a passive income through this amazing platform. So if you come on the my FX books and then here you can also find out gold morning details. You can find out all information here as well. So dear friends, this is the amazing project that can help you to make passive income. So must be join this amazing platform, do your trading with the help of this amazing platform, and you can make a lot of profit. So I hope so you like this video, share with your friend. See you next video. Thanks for watching.